Hello and welcome to the Kanen coffee and espresso machines. We're going to be doing a test shot on a Cara. It is a dual switch. It's up to temp. We're going to turn the second switch down and pull a shot. There we go. Check the steam. Nice strong steam. This machine came in, we did a complete rebuild, we put on a new power cord, we changed all gaskets, cleaned it up. It's a Cara, very similar to a La Pavoni. All right, there you go. Thanks for repairing with Kanen coffee and espresso machines. Please like this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please like and subscribe to our page.